last all-historic gunfight show of the day at 2 o'clock, right inside the saloon theater. 4 historic gunfights, a half an hour narrated show. Our last show of the day, folks. 2 o'clock showtime.
That jump sheet line? Okay, where we on?
Folks, I'm not...
So this is the favorite.
Right inside the saloon theater. 4 historic gunfights, half an hour narrated show. Each on the last show of the day, folks. Don't miss out on that history. Right inside the saloon theater. Right around the corner inside the saloon theater. 4 historic gunfights, half an hour narrated show. It's on. No.
Get in here with us.
You want to take a picture?
You're off on the right hand side of the wagon.
Experience the history of Tombstone firsthand. I suggest you take our Ghost and Legends walking tour. You see, the Tombstone Ghost and Legends tour is a walk.
It's not as bad as it looks like.
Exactly.
Right here at the old end of the saloon theater, about 5 more minutes. We just drink a beer, we get to kill each other. We'll make it real simple. Now this time you just keep walking around. Hello there, grab a beer, put your feet up, go inside in just 5 more minutes.
Where the t-shirt place is, like they have really good t-shirts.
you're welcome to wander through if you want.
Okay.
Our last mine tour of the day will be at 3 o'clock if you feel like going to see them all. The animals down below, they're usually pretty friendly.
Come on down, get your tickets right here.